Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Klaviyo account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download your email contact list from Klaviyo? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download your email list from Klaviyo anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's important to stay in touch with your customer, and Klaviyo is just one of those tools. So sometimes you have to download lists and upload them in other software. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Klaviyo dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Klaviyo, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and download one of your email subscriber lists, what you're going to do is click on this button here called Audience. It kind of looks like two little people. Once you click there, you're going to see this menu open up, and you want to click on Lists and Segments. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of your email lists that you have in Klaviyo. So you just want to scroll through until you find the list that you would like to download. So for example, this one right here, and just click on the name of the list. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see all of the email list members. Now, in order to export this list or download it, what you're going to do is up here on the top right, click on Manage List. All right, once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button here, Export List to CSV. Okay, next you get to choose what fields you want to export. So for example, you can go ahead and by default, it's chosen as email, but maybe I want to go ahead and include their first name, their last name, and their city. Okay, so once you've chosen the field, you want to go ahead and click on Start Export right here. Once it does that, it's going to immediately process and download your CSV report with your contact information from that email list. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download your contacts from your Klaviyo account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.